Hi, everybody. My name is Alex Lida. I'm the community leader from Global Agents. That we are launching a new protocol called GA2A. It's not from Google, but I was inspired in Google, and that's proposed that will be discover zones, and that any agent could communicate and identify initially local zones, and after we intended to prove this concept inside in the intranet, and after going through uh, internet listen zones and using the proposal form initially with the TCP and sockets, and after using the peer-to-peer. This is our website that we intended with this roadmap with GA2A. Is not A2A because A2A is from Google and funds by global agents, and initially with it's happening using TCP sockets, and after we intend to be use a P2P concept. Okay, and this is the repository, but now we will introduce the list of zones, and after we intended to have the token that will uh, understand the identity of the each agent that is used, and for example, use it by incomity or use it by some IDE like VS Code or Cursor. Okay, and we will be available with this branch. That's GA2E Fast Hub, Fast API Hub. So let's go. Now we have the running using uvicorn. Okay, we use uvicorn with this this file that uses the CLI with the command line interface from running with this command from running, and now for example we have two zones registers. You need at first register zones, and after you have the get, but these are aleatory zones. It's not are not identified real agents that simulated, but we needed to have this token, and you can running in the in some instance of terminal, and after you go with bash or anyone PowerShell or whatever, and you identify the zones. Okay, using this is the logs. Okay, from the zones, and now we have the stats. For example, identify some label from the zones that will be associated with the token. Okay, but this will be the next steps. And so for communicating after to have the gradation that identify that belong the zones with some agents, we can we will intend to use the MCP for communicating, and we will be you will develop this MCP for communicating some context or data, or how the agents work or will be working for to get some results, and we have to get the request for you work with your agents inside it and the browser or IDE or inside some tool for to have some visualization or whatever. And so that's it so far that we are have this the spotlight. Thank you so much. And if you want, you can collaborate to help us to improve this experience. So thank you so much.